there was a study, a medical study, actually just a questionnaire study, in 2003, which was published in the medical journal, where people in Kenya, Africa, and in Scotland, Europe, were asked, what is your biggest problem? And these people, in both countries, were suffering from lung cancer in a terminal stage. So they knew they were fatally ill and they had lots of pain. People in Kenya said that the biggest problem was the scarcity of analgesic treatment available. There was a scarcity of drugs. But the patients in Kenya said that socially speaking and spiritually speaking, so looking outside, trying to look away from themselves, socially and spiritually speaking, they were happy, if that is a word one would want to use in such a situation. Happy because they had friends and relatives. They had consolation. Many of them were active members of churches. Whereas in Scotland, people said, and this could be anywhere in Europe, I think, in any rich country perhaps, anxiety and loneliness were the biggest problems. Anxiety, what's going to happen with me? Is this going to be the end? No hope. But when they looked outside, there was just a bleak darkness. And they said they were lonely. So again, looking outside, there was hardly anybody. Relatives would come, but fairly rarely, and they wouldn't stay for very long. Consolation was, generally speaking, not very, very good. So in Europe, I think we have something which I would like to call pain amplifiers. We have pain drugs, analgesic drugs, but we also have pain amplifiers. The pain amplifiers are spiritual and societal things like isolation, distrust. People don't trust each other a lot, very often, or they don't trust the physician, the doctor. We have too high expectation of personal happiness. So in order to cope with that, one obvious thing, of course, is to build good relationships before a situation like terminal cancer with pain arises. But it also means that we try to cope with a situation that we are spiritual beings. We ask the question of what is after death? Is there something after death? And that needs attention. While we are still healthy enough. If we postpone that to a situation where we feel so bad we can hardly formulate a clear thought, that would be too late. So coping spiritually with pain means you ask yourself, what is my hope? What am I as a person? Am I just matter that doesn't like to feel painful? Cope with who you are yourself and how you relate to other humans and to God, whether you relate to Him at all, and how you can build a good relationship. That, of course, would be a great aim to follow.